All right, let's see just how quickly we can set up a site with LocalSitesGo. You're going to come under Appearance. We've installed the plugins, and under Appearance, you're going to see here LocalSitesGo Importer, and then you're going to see the different designs that you can import. You can preview them, you can sort them. If you have multiple volumes, this becomes really handy, so you can say, okay, I only want to see these types of businesses. And just select the one that you want. You're going to come here, let's do wedding venue. You'll see here the website is just a blank website, just a test website. There's nothing on it. We're going to go to import. We're going to say yes, and we're going to import this on a brand new site. And the reason is because right now I'm pulling all the images, I'm rewriting some of the template settings and other things on the site. So we want to make sure it's a brand new website. It's pulling over the images, it's pulling over all the content and everything there, and boom, now it's done. Now when we go back to the site, we're going to refresh, and we instantly have a wedding venue site here that we installed with animation, with images. Look at that. All sorts of information, and this can be easily edited. It's all sort of drag and drop editing, and beautiful site, multiple pages done in less than 2 minutes. I mean, really, this is a game changer, and I'm excited for you to have this as your secret weapon to creating instant websites for your clients. Okay, so with LocalSitesGo Ultimate version 2, of course you have all the same features, the drag and drop features. If you want to move something somewhere else, you can do that. If you want to move, this to this side, so, you're just switching the sides, you can still do that. You can still do all the cool things that you can do with LocalSitesGo version 1. However, here's the cool thing. So if we go up here and we go to Site Settings, here's what you can do on version 2, which you couldn't do on version 1. So we've set these all up to have global color. So let's say I want to change this to green. I can change the site to a different color that matches the business's color. So from one screen right here, you can come in. Let's say I want this to be black. So now all of the colors are changed to black. So with just a few little clicks, you can change the entire site to the color that you want. So that's pretty cool. We're really excited to bring that to you. Makes your process of building sites so much faster, so much easier, that you can basically just come in, change the color, have a completely different site in just a matter of a few seconds.